Here is another credit union that may rival the likes of Navy Federal, Alliant, and Penfed Credit Union. This is Signature Credit Union, and this is a full-service credit union that offers a vast variety of products. This is another credit union that I'm highlighting as an option for those that are members of the ACC, the American Consumer Council. As I've said in my recent credit union videos, ACC membership allows for you to join many different credit unions. Signature has some unique features that are becoming quite the norm in other credit unions that I recently reviewed. With the credit cards, they have a credit builder Visa that allows for you to have a balance of $500. The minimum deposit on this card is $500. And again, this helps you build your credit if you don't have any credit. This is essentially a secured card. Next up, they have the First Start Visa. This card is a credit builder card that starts at 11.99 APR, which isn't too terribly bad, and the credit limits on this card go from $250 to $1,000. And the good thing is there's no annual fee with this card. This is a very entry-level card. Next up, they have a student Visa card. There's no yearly fee, a low interest rate, and you could take this abroad with you. And I don't really know the full benefits of these student cards. I would rather just apply for another one of their other cards. Next up is their classic Visa card, and this card has an APR rate of 12.99, which isn't too bad. And the credit lines on this card begin at 500 and they go all the way to 10,000, and it has the same perks as a couple of the other cards previously talked about. There's no annual fee and no foreign transaction fee. Next up, we have the Visa Gold card, which also has an 11.99 APR rate, which is really good. Credit lines from 500 to 15,000. So as you can see, as we increase in the level of card, the credit limit goes up on that card. Now, this is the card where it first begins to get into the benefits. So you get a 6% cash rebate on all streaming services and a 1% cash rebate on all other purchases. And again, no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees. This looks like a really good mid-tier card. Next up, you have the Visa Platinum. So this card has limits up to $25,000 and it has a lower APR rate of 10.99%. And you also get the 6 points per $1 spent on all streaming services, and then you get the 1 point for every dollar spent on all other purchases. So while this Platinum card doesn't offer a lot of other extra benefits, you do get that 1 point per dollar spent and the possible high limits up to $25,000 on this card. So that is pretty good. Next up, you have their premium Visa Signature card, which has an APR of 12.50. And this card lets you choose from either a point card that gets the 6 points on streaming services and 2 points for every dollar spent on all other purchases, or you get a 6% cash rebate on streaming services and 2% cash rebate on all other purchases. So you would have to look at this card and view what is best for you as far as those options go. This card also has no annual fee, no finance fee, no balance transfer fee, no cash advance fee, which is excellent. And on top of that, you get all of the Visa Signature benefits as well, because this is a signature card. It does not state the limits that this card go up to, that this premium card goes up to, but I'm assuming that it starts at least $25,000. I did reach out to a rep, but they haven't gotten back to me yet as far as the limits of this card go. They also have business cards. So this business Visa Signature starts at 12.50 APR rate, and you could choose from either a point card that earns 2 points for every dollar on purchases or getting a 2% cash rebate. So again, that's a flat rate 2%, or you can get the rewards points, whatever would work for you. So their rewards and their point system pretty much works like other credit unions out there, Penfed, Navy Fed. Their points you can use for purchasing items. You can get gift cards. And on this page, I wanted to point out that the cashback redemption that you get will be processed within 7 to 10 business days and will be deposited directly into your shared checking account. So whatever cashback that you get, it's deposited into your shared checking account. And you can also see that $25 equates to 3,500 points. Another nice feature I like about Signature Credit Union is that they have a cashback debit checking account. So you get 1% cash back on all purchases with your debit card. You can get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit. So this is a pretty nice feature for people that actually use their debit card. As you already know, in my other videos, I talk about how I don't use my debit card, but this is a nice option for people who want to use their debit card and actually get some cash back with that. This is something new to a lot of credit unions that I've reviewed recently. A lot of them are starting to offer this option. They also have vehicle loans, auto loans. So what I like about this credit union is that they offer a 0.25% discount on your auto loan rate. So if you add gap insurance, auto warranty protection, or set up automatic payments to qualify, you will qualify for a 0.25% discount on your approved rate. So there's other credit unions that I reviewed recently that have offered this as well too. So this is something new to credit unions. And the rates with their auto loans are actually pretty low, as you can see on this page. So that's a good deal. They have new and used auto loan rates. Another key feature of this credit union is their Signature Express loan. So it says with our Signature Express loan, you can get the money you need in a flash with just one quick and easy application. So this loan allows you're allowed to get this loan without any credit check, but you have to meet these qualifications. You have to be a member for 6 months and in good standing, not currently in bankruptcy, not past due on any current or previous Signature FCU loans, and there's $1,000 minimum monthly direct deposit into your account to apply. So this is a loan that you can get as long as you're in good standing and meet these requirements without any credit check, and I think that's pretty good. So with basic banking and financing standards that you do on a normal basis, you can easily qualify for this. They also have this cool feature called skip a payment. And again, this is another option that is in a lot of credit union videos that I recently reviewed. So this allows you to skip a payment. It doesn't work for mortgages, but it does work for auto loans. And there is a small fee associated, but if an emergency comes up and you can't make the payment, for a small $35 fee, you can use this skip a payment feature. They also offer certificates. Everybody knows I'm a big fan of certificates and putting that extra money that you have into a share certificate or a money market account where you're actually getting back a certain percentage for keeping that money in the account and not touching it. They also offer retirement and investing and trust funds. So they have a traditional IRA, they have a Roth IRA, they have trust accounts, they also have estate accounts. So those are beneficial for people that are in the middle of their lives, and they want to make sure that they have their estate set up for their loved ones. It could be children, relatives, etc. So again, if you are a member of the ACC, you have your ACC membership, this is a great credit union to look into. They offer tons of different products and they have unique products as well. So I highly recommend this credit union. If not, to look into it and check out their products. This is a great option for people that are out there. Thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. If you like this video and offers value, please comment, share, like, subscribe. Talk to you later.